Hi, it's Maxine from Twinkle.
Today I'll be showing you some of the phonics lesson packs that we have available on the Twinkle website. We have these in lots of different phases. These lesson packs give you a whole week's worth of phonics lessons. Included in the packs are weekly plans, weekly assessment sheets, and large group and small group sessions. Our large group sessions contain an activity card showing you what you can do in the session. They also contain a whole group PowerPoint that you can use with the children. Our small group sessions include activity cards and any printable resources that you'll need for the session. To help children hear initial sounds and words, you could print out our cards and play a game of I Spy with the children. You can describe what's on the card and give children the initial letter sound. Can they find it using their lolly stick? Children can explore sounds made with instruments. Why not make these woodland shakers? Get some different sized plastic bottles and fill them up with items that you find outside. Ask children questions, such as, what sound do you think the acorns will make? Will it be louder or quieter than the leaves? This activity is great for grouping objects with the same initial sounds. Can children find items beginning with the same sound to give to the badger? In this activity, children will select a leaf from the box. Can they hear the word? Can they blend it together? If they can write it on the log. In this activity, can children blend the sounds together to say the word s-it, sit? If so, they can place their stone on the river and now they're ready to cross.
Hope you found this useful. See you next time.